everyone, this is my review of this portable Bluetooth speaker. It comes with a USB cable to USB-C and an audio cable so you can plug into your audio system. This speaker is waterproof, so you could take it around the shower or around the pool area and don't have to worry about it getting ruined. The speaker also lights up in both ends, so you could have a little bit of a light show or disco. It also has a smart EQ button, so you can switch between the quality of sound for more softer lyrical music or music that has a lot more bass. A very easy Bluetooth connecting. Just turn on, wait for it to come up, and just connect it to your device. And you have good quality sound, and it's pretty loud. So I hope this review helps.
Turn on the TV, and chances are you'll see a campaign ad. This election year, it's projected that about $16 billion will be spent on political ads, 30% more than the last presidential election. But what